At William Hughes, we combine over 2 centuries of manufacturing expertise with future-facing technologies, producing springs, wire forms and assemblies that demonstrate innovation, proficiency and a firm commitment to outstanding quality. Our company began business in 1790, supplying high-quality wire to the textile mills of the Industrial Revolution. As the demands of engineering evolved, so did we. By the mid-20th century, we were manufacturing precision springs and wire forms for defense, then scaling up for the automotive industry as it boomed across Europe. Our reputation for quality and responsiveness saw us expand again, this time into aerospace, medical and eventually EV and nuclear markets. We also set up factories in Bulgaria and Poland to cope with our flourishing automotive operations. Throughout, our one constant is a commitment to solving complex engineering problems with care, craft, and technical excellence. Our 7,000 square metre UK factory in Dorset is home to wire form and spring manufacture, compression, torsion and tension springs, along with many other types. The site is fully equipped with the latest in high-precision CNC technologies, including robotic welding, for the manufacture of safety-critical components and development of new forming techniques to meet exacting performance, tolerance and traceability demands. From prototype development through to high-volume manufacture, our UK team provides full technical support honed across many years of experience. We can make anything out of wire. We press it, we coil it, we weld it, we bend it, from 0.1 mm up to 16 mm in spring steel. Being a wire stockist as well gives us expertise in a wide range of materials from stainless to silicon chrome, as well as such exotics as Mnemonic X750 and Nispan. Our commitment to quality is underscored by certifications such as AS9100 Rev C and IATF 16949, along with NADCAP accreditation for passivation and heat treatment. This is reinforced by our inspection department with its HandyScan 3D scanner and tensile, torsion and load testing facilities. Ultrasonic cleaning and passivation are available too, both for our own use and on a subcontract basis. Our ISO Class 7 clean room meets stringent cleanliness standards, providing a bespoke solution tailored to our customers' exact requirements. Other secondary processes we can offer include electrophoretic painting, plastic coating, injection overmolding, delta tone finishing, shop peening and grinding. Our outlook for the future is one of continuous improvement in all areas of company activity, embodying efficiency, safety and sustainability, equipping us to meet the challenges set by today's exacting engineering standards.